Hi friends, for the art center today, you're going to need this large cat in the hat tracer and your and your scissors and a red colored pencil or markers or crayon, or you could even paint. What we're gonna do is make the red stripes on the cat in the hat's hat. Okay, so his hat starts with a red stripe. So I'm gonna go ahead, I turned my paper so you can see. I'm gonna draw a line and I'm gonna try to draw it as straight as I can. And then I'm going to color in this section red. Okay, so I'm going to take my time, and if you want to sing the red song while you're coloring, you sure can. Remember, our song is R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too. R-E-D, R-E-D. All right, my friends, so you're going to color this whole section red. I'm actually going to pause my recording and finish coloring, and then I will come back on to show you how we're going to cut it out. Okay, so you continue coloring. We're going to do our stripes. I'm going to pause the video and finish coloring. Okay, friends, I finished coloring that section red. Now I'm going to leave a space. I'm going to put 3 fingers down. Now my fingers are bigger than yours. And I'm going to draw another red line and then another red line right at about where I had it folded. Okay, so I have red stripe, white stripe. I'm going to color this section here red as well. Okay, so again, I'm going to red, 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 red. Okay, I'm just nicely coloring, staying in that line. And again, friends, I'm using a colored pencil. You can use red crayons, red paint, red markers. Okay, whatever you have at home that you want to use. Okay, then I'm going to go down again. Okay, about right here, and I'm going to draw a red line and another red line. Okay, and I'm going to color, 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 color. So his stripes alternate. It's a pattern. We have red, white, red, white. Okay, and then down here, the base of his hat, I'm also going to make this red. So I'm going to leave this little section white and do red down here. So this is a big section again, friends, that we're doing. So nicely coloring. All right, friends, I'm almost done. And remember, you can pause the video at any point if you need to finish coloring if it's taking you a little bit longer. And we're going to have a really cool cat in the hat at the end. All right, so there we go, friends. I have my red and white stripes on my hat. Now, I need to go ahead and cut this hat out. So I'm going to cut right on the pencil line that we have traced for you. And I'm just going to cut out the hat. Okay, so again, cutting around that outside pencil line, taking my time. All right. There we have it. I have my hat cut out. All right, friends, you're actually going to hang on to this hat because we're going to need it for word work. I will see you in the next video.